Good day everyone, welcome to our vlog about the rental vehicle management system. In this video, we will explain what the system is and how it works.
We'll also show how it helps in booking in and managing vehicles easily.
How it improves customer service and make the transaction faster.
Stay tuned and let's start learning vehicle rental management system. Stay tuned.
Or POS system, vehicle rental management system, dormitory management system, or online ordering management system.
Ano na, vehicle rental management system.
Sige. Sa'yo.
Vehicle rental management system.
Sa'yo, Benedict. Sa'yo. Or what is the vehicle management system sa tingin mo, Kenneth?
It is a digital system that helps manage vehicle rental.
Sige. Jasmine, ano naman sa tingin mo ang purpose ng topic natin?
The purpose is to make vehicle rentals easier by managing bookings, customers' details, vehicle availability, and payments.
Ikaw naman, Benedict, ano ang mga magiging full features ng ating system?
Our system has online booking, vehicle availability checking, payment, recording customer registration, rental history.
Labi, ito naman tanong ko sa'yo. What is the main objective of our topic? Ano yung kaya na itong gawin?
To manage the rental vehicles or the customers or the payments. Like that.
Yan pala tingin niya sa ating project.